everybody, this is Mark from Tech 315, and today I'm going to show you how to put Windows 11 on a USB. So that way you can either, if you lose your drive or it fries out, you can go ahead and put a fresh install on, or if you have another computer that you know will take Windows 11 and you don't want to do it as part of the Windows Insider program, you just kind of want to leave that beta version of Windows on there to fool around with, you can definitely do that. And here we go. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you are part of the Windows Insider program. The way you can do that is you can go to Updates by hitting the Win key and then typing in Updates. Go to Windows Update, and then right here you're going to see Windows Insider program. Once you've gone ahead and registered, you're going to want to go to the download page of Windows 11. And so I've already saved the link because it's a long one and it's just easier to do it this way. I've tested it many different ways, so I'm going to do it this way. And no worries, the link will be in the description, so you can just click it. If we refresh this, it will show that the Windows Insider Preview downloads are here, and it will walk you through how to set up an ISO. But in this case, we're just going to shoot down to the bottom, and we're going to select the edition, hit confirm, and then you're going to choose your language you want. I'm going to choose English, confirm, and then this is the last part of it. It's going to download after this, where you click the 64-bit edition. There is no x86 or 32-bit edition for Windows 11, or at least not right now. And these links are only valid for 24 hours from the time of creation, so keep that in mind. We've already done that, so we're going to click out of this. The next thing you're going to want to grab, I skipped a step. You're going to want to grab Rufus. Rufus 3.15. So if you type in Rufus, go to their official site. It should look like this on the main screen. And then choose download Rufus 3.15. Or you can choose a later version, I'm sure. Once you've done that, go ahead and go to your downloads and bring up Rufus. Now at this point, you're going to want to put in a USB of at least 8 gigabytes that you don't mind formatting. I would format it beforehand, but Rufus will format it for you. So in my case, I would go to the drop down. I only have one USB in there, but I would choose it, and it would be this one. And then I would go to the next section and choose my ISO, and there's only going to be ISOs in here. I mean, if you clicked all files, it's going to show you everything, but choose the Windows 11 client, and I would leave everything else on default and hit start. Now this is going to take a little while. It isn't the fastest download, at least not in my experience. It could have been the PC. I used it on 2 different ones. It's a 5.1 gigabyte download. It does take a while, and when you get to Rufus and you start doing it, you may come across when you hit the wim.dot file or WIM file, and it seems like your computer's just frozen. It's not. It takes a couple minutes to get that accoladed and get it onto the USB. So just kind of bear with it. Don't shut your computer off. Don't cancel it, because you're just going to have to do it again. You're going to keep running into it. And like me, you're going to Google, why is it doing this? And you're going to find a forum in Tom's Hardware that says sometimes it will get hung up at that file. So just bear in mind that that may happen, and just have patience. Once you've done that, we should be able to successfully install Windows 11 on a PC that that is able to have Windows 11, because a lot of people are wanting Windows 11, but their computer motherboards aren't allowing it. They do have a PCIe ×1 add-on card that allows you to get the TPM 2.0, which is one of the main concerns. But this motherboard happens to have it. The build is an LGA 1200. It's the B460M Pro motherboard by MSI. We got an Intel G6400 in there, an RTX 3060. We have 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM by Corsair, and we have a 1 terabyte NVMe Samsung 970. I wanted the 980, but it wasn't out yet, so we went with the 970. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and do the next part, but this may cut off the PC. So I'm going to do this on my phone. So stay tuned for that. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Peace. Alright guys, so we got the USB set up through Rufus to go ahead and run the install. So let's see if it works actually. So this question was actually brought by someone in a PC group, and I didn't realize they had relaunched the ISO file, or maybe they never got rid of it in the first place and I just couldn't find it. But I did check to make sure Windows 11 was on here before I went ahead and did anything wild. So wait, did we go past it? I think we went past it, sorry. Alright, here you go. So we got it to the install screen, or the setup screen we'll call it. I'm trying to get this to, there we go. We'll go ahead and click it. How beautiful is that compared to the old one? And we're just going to go through really quick and set it up. I do like the colors on it, and it's beautiful. As far as the animation, it's clean. Obviously, it's still Windows. I mean, there's nothing we can do about that. I'm going to pause it, let it go through, and we'll jump onto the main screen. See you in a sec. Alright, so we're at the point, I think, where it's going to go ahead and let us get right in there. So let's check it out. So it's updating. Boom. And there you go. Meet Windows. Oh my goodness.